presentation, we will observe how indispensable the DIMSU strategic plan is to the BS Biology planning process and serves as blueprint of the basic annual operations along its major trifocal functions: instruction, research, and extension, with production as an integral component of each. The institutional planning and development process follows a top-down and bottom-up process and involves the following distinct phases: pre-planning phase, planning phase, implementation phase, monitoring and evaluation phase, and the feedback gathering phase. Phases 1 and 2 are the pre-planning and planning phases. It involves 7 essential steps to enumerate. Step 1, information gathering and analysis. Step 2, identification of critical issues and risks. Step 3, developing a strategic vision statement. Step 4, review and revision of the mission and qualities policy statements of the university. Step 5, development of strategic goals and quality objectives. Step 6, formulation of strategies to accomplish each goal. The products of planning are consolidated and submitted to the Board of Regents for approval. This leads to Step 7, preparation of operational plans based on the strategic plan. Once finalized, resources are allocated and the plans are implemented, monitored, evaluated, and the results are communicated back to the system. After pre-planning and planning process, phase 3 is the implementation phase. The strategies in the university strategic plan are operationalized and implemented in the campus and college level. Presently, the university is operating on the 6-year strategic plan since 2019. The college plan is presented to the faculty, staff, and students, and internal and external stakeholders. This becomes the basis for the preparation of action plans among faculty members. Phase 4 is the monitoring and evaluation phase. Each level of operating units tracks the progress and accomplishment of their respective constituencies and the reports submitted to become the basis for planning in the next cycle. Accomplishments and plans are reviewed during the year-end performance review to incorporate improvements for better operations and management. Phase 5 is the feedback gathering phase, which is envisioned as a loop. All important decisions are acted upon by the academic and administrative councils from the college to the university level and eventually acted by the BOR. All actions are then communicated to the different stakeholders. Formulations, enrichments, amendments, and revisions of administrative and academic policies and concerns follow a cyclical process. The diagram shows the direction of communication and decision-making. The loop structure of the model indicates that the process of planning can start and stop anywhere in the organizational hierarchy, depending on the required level of authority for the approval of policies, orders, directives, as the case may be. As you can see, the organizational structure of the Planning and Development Unit is organized to be in conjunction with other administrative offices. The process of planning in the university is facilitated by planning units, which are structurally set up at different levels from the university down to the college or institute level to provide the needed support and services in terms of inputs to planning and to consolidate outputs of planning. The thrusts and direction of the university do not start from nowhere. It is usually shaped by surrounding contexts that provide inputs which serve as basis for the planning outputs. Among these considerations are the Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028, which reflects the National Development Goals, the Ilocos Region Development Goals, and the La Union Development Goals, which are medium-range goals laying the foundation for inclusive growth, a high-trust and resilient society, and a globally competitive knowledge economy towards attaining the long-range Ambisyon 2040 vision characterized as matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay for every Filipino, aimed for the transformation of the economic and social sectors and institutions for a prosperous, inclusive, and resilient society. The DIMSU strategic plan is aligned with the agency's plan and national policies. These agencies include the National Economic and Development Authority and the Philippine Development Plan, the Department of Budget and Management Performance-Based Bonus Circulars, the Department of Science and Technology Harmonized Research and Development Agenda, the Department of Agriculture Research, Development and Extension Agenda, Commission on Higher Education K-12 and Internalization Programs, and Republic Act Number 11396 or the LUDIT Act of 2019 and the NIDA DBM JMC 2016-01. DIMSU's contribution towards the attainment of provincial, regional, and national development goals is captured in its strategic plan from 2019 to 2024 with 8 overarching roles. Under knowledge generation, there are 2 goals. Goal 1, enhance institutional quality, program resilience, and responsive academic programs. Goal 2, uphold operational and scientific research programs. Under welfare of constituents, we have Goal 3, promote responsive management and governance. For community engagement, we have Goal 4, support vibrant extension and community programs. On collaboration and internationalization, we have Goal 5, sustain dynamic linkages and collaboration. Under resource generation is Goal 7, boost efficient and effective resource generation. And for alumni support, we have Goal 8, foster strong, collaborative, and supportive relationships between the university and its alumni. DIMSU depends on its quality management system model, which shows 2 interacting processes. First, the internal processes cover the activities to communicate the importance of meeting client, stakeholder, and citizen requirements and expectations and the like. The second covers the external processes, which demonstrates determining client or stakeholder and citizen requirements. Information derived from clients or stakeholders and citizens are used for the continual improvement of both processes. From the University Quality Management System comes the College Quality Assurance Plan, which comprises the following facets: governance and management, program standards, faculty, research, extension, and students. The college goal and direction for governance and management is to ensure that the management is sufficient and effective in dealing with the changing educational landscape in both national and international level. Second, the college plans to utilize its facilities and systems for high-flex and blended learning. Third, the college also strongly encourages its faculty to pursue postdoctoral and/or fellowship programs in both national and international levels. Fourth, the college researchers are focused on fostering collaboration with other partner agencies in both national and international level. Fifth, the college is upscaling its extension services in the area of production and maintaining efficacy of extension programs. And lastly, the College of Arts and Sciences continues to strengthen its admission and support on students, including alumni, by upscaling their competencies. The Quality Assurance Plan of the BS Biology program proudly sustains the areas of instruction, research, extension, production, and administration. Instruction within the BS Biology program is systematically managed through annual operational plans. The implementation of the operational and action, which includes the submission of forms and documents related to instruction such as course syllabi, as well as faculty development plans. Our research framework emphasizes the preparation of operational plans, submission and approval of research proposals, and thorough monitoring of ongoing projects. This systematic process ensures that our research outputs contribute significantly to the field of biology and allied sciences. The extension component of our program begins with thorough needs assessments and the development of annual operational plans. These activities are crucial for linking our academic resources with community needs, enhancing the societal impact of our educational programs. Administrative operations are streamlined to support the program's goals and the university's vision and mission effectively. Let us now shift our focus to the practical implementation of these strategies through the best practices our university has adopted. These specific practices exemplify